This is Thursday, the 6th day of August 2026. Good afternoon, everyone. How many of you have seen this video trending where some gunmen, we are seeing two people in the video where they captured Nigerian police officers. Seems that they are accompanying one person, could be a politician, to somewhere. So these people were holding them at gunpoint. And I saw so many things online, a lot of people are saying otherwise about this video. You know what? I'm going to tell you what could have transpired in this video. So watch this video if you have not seen it. I'll be right back.
Oga, wind the motor down. Oga, wind the motor down. Say me you wind it down. Command you to wind it down. Command you to wind it down. Wind it down. I said wind it down. Oga, I said I will do without command. I will do without command.
081 3075.
He's an officer. I person is there now. Our officer.
081 3075.
Our officer person is there now. Your officer person
081
but I get
75.
Yeah, I person is there. Policeman, but I got half a pair. Okay, remove your cap. Remove your cap. Where are you serving? Okay, say where are you serving?
Headquarter.
Which headquarter?
Go back.
I know. Which over?
Over there. 080. Imo State.
Which command? Under which command? Huh?
Be odd.
Be off. Your code number. Your code number.
My code.
Your code number as an officer. Your code number.
Pencil.
Look at him. He's a rifle, but I pencil want to free him.
I assure you that.
He's an officer. I pencil want to free him. Remove it. Let me see your name.
My name is
What is your name?
David.
David who?
081
Look at him.
3075.
His number. Look at David. He's an officer.
081.
He's an officer. I pencil want to leave him. I pencil get him now. Look at him. This is I pencil. This is an officer. Yeah, our officer I pencil will be there now. But I got half a pair. Oh yeah, I pencil be there.
Okay, first thing first, I totally condemn an act of terrorism, robbery, and all these kind of things. Okay, these people are going peacefully to where they are going, and these armed robbers permit me to call them terrorists. So they got their gun, they burned up innocent police officer and people in the car, in the vehicle. So a lot of people are posting this video online. This video is trending. As usual, this video is coming from somewhere. This action is coming from somewhere. And almost 99.9% of the people who are online, we never understand where this video is coming from. Now, almost the whole people posting this video, you know what they are saying? ESN captured Nigerian police. ESN burned up Nigerian police. ESN arrested Nigerian police. Totally out of point. Some other people are saying IPOB guys burned up police. IPOB guys captured police. IPOB guys holds police at the gunpoint. Totally out of point. Anyway, pay attention. When it comes to insecurity, there are so many things that are very deep about it that you can't even know online. Now, you see, there are some things that are going on. It has been long you hear about these people coming out online to show gun, to burn up police, this kind of terrorists terrorizing in the southeastern part of the country. As far as I'm concerned, they are terrorists. And these particular people are not Fulanese. And I'm going to somewhere, stay with me. Now, these people are sponsored by politicians. And I'm going to tell you, I'm going to prove it. They have nothing to do with IPOB or ESN. These people, anytime Nnamdi Kanu's appeal is coming close, you will see this kind of people coming out to show that they are ESN or IPOB. They will come out to show that we are the one doing this, all those things. The news we carry it, ESN, host Nigerian police, even though the people who burned up the police did not even show that they belong to any group. But people will coin it to be what they want to see, right? Then, the scene of the video, if you're a security expert, the scene of the video will send one message to you. It seems that this thing was acted or there was a script about this. The police they were enveloping was not even bothering. Even when the person was talking to him, like, what should I do? Like, the policeman was not fidgeting. Like, that is not someone at the gunpoint, even though you are chief of army staff. That is not the psychology, the body language of somebody at the gunpoint. I'm telling you my observation, right? Thirdly, in Finland that they are judging the case of Simon Ekpa right now. They are judging the case of Simon Ekpa. And they are Nigeria government agents who are also going there. They are already there. They are testifying against Simon Ekpa. And they needed evidence to show that this is what Simon Ekpa did, and this is what he did. It is still on. Look at his boy still bent up police today to give the Finland government reasons to continue to detain him. I'm trying to tell you this because governors in the Southeast have confessed that they themselves are the ones sponsoring all this insecurity, that they are not IPOB, they are not ESN. You understand? If you have a proof about the activities of these people where they were linked to Nnamdi Kanu or ESN or IPOB, you are free to share it. I'm not trying to dispute if you have evidence or if you have this, if you have that. That is not what I'm trying to do. But what I'm trying to tell you is that you see all this kind of thing they are doing in the Southeast. Most of them, I can't say all of them now, okay? Most of them that you are seeing, including this one you see, has nothing to do with IPOB or ESN. I will tell you this thing based on experience. I showed you the video. It's on the public domain. You can go and check it. No need of disclosing a phone number of a governor. You can walk down maybe after the election of Osun State. Hope Uzodinma is busy now. After the election in Osun State, walk down to Douglas Road. Go and meet Uzodinma. Tell Uzodinma to tell you what he knows about insecurity in the Southeast. Have you ever seen Uzodinma saying that the insecurity in Imo State is from IPOB? Uzodinma have never made such statement. You know why? Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, knows how the insecurity came. He knows how the insecurity is going. He knows who are paying these people. And he confesses it on Channels Television. He confesses it when we were in audience with him in Imo State as well. I have the 2 videos I've published it time without number. You understand? But social media is a kind of world where convictions always rule. So you see people developing the police right now. Then the conviction, what the media houses in Nigeria are telling you that these people are IPOB and ESN, that is totally false. That is totally false. Now, let us come to the authority of terrorism. Okay, I have done this topic before. The authority of terrorism. You see, when you are talking about the authority of terrorism, it has to do with the governing body of that particular domain or territory. Let me make you understand better of what I'm saying. As you see in Nigeria territory, this place called Nigeria, okay? Any terrorist organization that can live in Nigeria up to 6 months, there are people in government who are sponsoring it. If there is no people in government who are sponsoring it, there is no group, no terrorist association, no terrorist group. Both Boko Haram, MISWAP, or people they call no government, the people they tag ESN, whereas they are not, the people they tag IPOB, whereas they are not the real IPOB. Nobody have the power to last more than 1 month, 2 months in Nigeria. Nobody. If the people in government don't have hand in it. You understand? Boko Haram commanders, I am not saying that Nigerian soldiers have not killed Boko Haram members. So they are notorious people like Kachala. These leaders of Boko Haram, these leaders of people they call, mention all through. Why is it that they are not killing them? Is it not Kachala that they stole 95 million from? A gun runner duped a terrorist leader 95 million. Kachala asked police to arrest the guy. Police arrested the guy. Then Kachala asked police to arrange a peace deal. It was the honorable member representing that Metoa Federal Constituency that was saying this on NTA outside. The video is there. Go and watch it by yourself. There are so many things that are very deep and deeper when it comes to insecurity. So all these videos you are seeing online. So in your mind, you see the guy was collecting number, right? In that video. The guy was collecting number. So who told you that police doesn't know their location? Military DSS don't know their location. I don't know. Who told you that they don't know their location? Who told you that they don't know their location? They are using mobile phone. All these terrorist bandits doing TikTok online. Who told you that DSS doesn't know their, or DSS don't know their whereabouts or location? There is no insecurity that can last in Nigeria if the government is not involved. Highest 6 months, they will be eliminated. They will be eliminated. See, I know the capacity of state security apparatus. I know the capacity of Nigerian security apparatus. You see, if that terrorist is in Cotonou or the terrorist is in South Africa, Nigeria have the power to capture the terrorists within 24 hours. Any terrorist things that they are telling you, these people are this, don't believe them. Don't believe them. They knows everything about it. And it is a terrorism control. They use terrorism to control some things. They use it to control the outcome of election, the outcome of sharing of resources. If you see where they are mining gold, rare earth minerals that they use to do fighter jets, rare earth minerals that they use to do lithium battery for electric cars, all of them, they are taking it in billions of dollars from Nigeria. But the only thing they are doing is that they mobilize people they are using for all this Sharia something, all these terrorists that are quoting Sharia everywhere, pushing for Islamization. They will deploy them to that place, promising them, we are going to use this money, part of the money, to sponsor your agenda. Guide these people, guide these Chinese people, let them mind this thing. The politician will be getting his money, will be getting his billions of dollars, using chopper, helicopter, and aeroplane to land where there is no airport in the bush, carry Nigerian gold, lithium, red minerals, and ship it outside the country. They will be sending it. There is nothing insecurity going on that the government is not aware. There is nothing insecurity going on that government is not aware. So don't let them deceive you that, oh, Nnamdi Kanu people, Nnamdi Kanu is some have boys, Nnamdi Kanu have some people that are destabilizing in the southeast. Enough fit. I'm telling you, enough fit. He can influence for good. He can do this, do that. Say you have boys fighting for 10 years. Wake up. It has nothing to do with all these people they are telling you. You see Boko Haram? Boko Haram leaders are not the one controlling the affairs of Boko Haram. No. It is being controlled by politicians who love Sharia and want Nigeria to be Islamized. I am telling you this. The result is everywhere. They clap for Boko Haram when they declare that Christians should live in the north. When they declare war against Christians, go. The video is still on Chinese television. You understand? Shekau read it out. We are declaring war on Christians, and up to today, the war is still moving on. The war is still moving on. It is you that you were fed with wrong things. Okay, now let me break this down for you. Do you know how many times the government fought against Christian genocide? Nobody told you that Boko Haram have a policy to kill Christians and eliminate Christianity in Nigeria. Nobody will tell you that. Nobody will tell you that ISWAP wants Christians in Nigeria to convert or they die. Nobody will tell you that. Nobody will tell you that the agenda of these people is to overthrow the Nigerian government to put a Sharia caliphate, an Islamic caliphate that will be controlled by Sharia law. This is their policy. Nobody will tell you. But go and read the mission of Boko Haram. It is in their handbook. And if you don't have their handbook, use AI to extract it. Read it on Google. So this is the problem we are facing in Nigeria, where government controls everything and the peoples are on the water flowing. They don't know what is going on down in the deep sea. Such acts like this must be condemned. If you are kind of people who are thinking that, oh, these people are men on ground, they are ESN, they are IPOP, government have used your brain and throw your brain away. They have used your brain and throw your brain away. If it is in a developed country, either the local government chairman will be questioned, the state governor will be questioned. Why? Because they will tell you that you are unable to secure your state. But they will not be questioned because they know what is going on. And should I begin to tell you everything? Is it not here we are? Military says they captured the head of ESN and IPOB in Imo State. And after 1 week, those people they captured, the military have posted it that these people are in our custody. After like 2 weeks to 1 month, those people came out and did a video that, hey, they are not in army custody. How did they escape? Azoka was a Labour Party, is it PDP, House of Assembly member in Anambra State. He was kidnapped and killed. They captured the person who killed Azoka. They put him in prison in Anambra. One day, they wake up, they said the man flee. How did they, and how? How did he manage to escape? How? No, how? And one House of Assembly member came out to say it was Soludo that killed Azoka. See, if they begin to open the books of insecurity in the Southeast and in Nigeria for you, you'll be surprised. But for the purpose of this video, when you see a video like this, I just see them that they are acting drama. It is, as far as I'm concerned, they are acting drama. That is a drama. And they know the purpose why they're acting that drama is to show the world that, oh, these people you are persecuting, Nnamdi Kanu, look at what their boys are still doing. That is the purpose. Nothing more, nothing else. So, it's unacceptable. And I encourage people to always think critically, not just seeing something and believing what you are seeing online. Until I see you on my next video.